Welcome to the last part of the room makeover series. At least I think this is the last part. I am so excited for this video in particular because this is the first living room that I'm like fully able to decorate all by myself, completely like my style. Like all my other room makeover videos that I've done, let's start with a tour. So this is the before. Here's the little overview when you walk in. Also, if you haven't watched my kitchen video already, go do that. I'm still in the process of getting it together right now, but by the time this video goes up, it'll already be done. So you walk in, you see this little cart that's really messy right now, but I'm planning on making this the little like entryway place where you put your keys and just like cute little stuff like that. And then I have my desk. I did get a new desk chair, so we're gonna build that today. I just wanted one that was a lot more like practical for editing for hours at a time. And then I got a keyboard, which I will show you guys in a bit. I have my mirror from my old place, and then I got a new TV, which I'm so excited about too. This is the DIY air mattress couch. If you were here for my first apartment, you would know that this was the setup for probably like a couple months before we got our couch. So we're carrying on that tradition here. Over here, I just have some random stuff that I need to put away and unpack. So hopefully I can get these things cleared out pretty soon. Whether it gets put away today or not, it needs to be at least moved somewhere else because we're gonna build my keyboard and that's where it's gonna go. So that is the living room. Let's get started on moving these things so that I can build my keyboard. To build it over there, but the box is literally just too heavy to move over there, so I'm just gonna like take the pieces out. Okay, so there's a little installation guide on the box. Also, if you didn't know, I played piano since I was like 7, and every time I play I just feel so happy. I feel like I always have like a clear mind afterwards, so I'm so excited to finally be able to have a piano again. I did honestly splurge a little bit on a nicer, prettier one, honestly, I'm not gonna lie, because I want it to be like a decoration. This is an investment for me. This will hopefully last me for years, and I feel like it's just gonna bring me so much happiness, so to me it is worth it. All right, let's get started. Okay, you guys, it is done. Excuse the mess, but the keyboard itself is beautiful. The brand is Donner. I need to peel this off. Walmart was the cheapest place I could find it, but unfortunately it didn't come with a bench, which I knew going into it, and I figured I could just get a cute little ottoman type thing to put here, maybe that has storage or something. As a temporary bench, I can use my old desk chair since I'm building the new one today, so let's bring that over. There's what it looks like so far. I'm not sure how I'm gonna like decorate it yet. Maybe I'll put like some flowers on it or something. All right, you guys, next up is the desk chair. I'm getting hungry, so I'm gonna try to build this quickly and then eat lunch. Hopefully this is easy. Okay guys, so this video was filmed over the span of like 2 months, so it's getting messy trying to edit everything, especially because I didn't give the best explanations of what I was doing, so we're doing a voiceover. So I built my desk chair and then for some reason didn't show the finished result. You guys will definitely see it later, but I don't know why I did that. Anyways, here I am cleaning my apartment because I had some guests coming over the next day. I also was trying to hide a bunch of the wires that were kind of laying around. I felt like they just looked messy, so I was fixing that. I also hung up a little mirror, and then there was a big gap where I didn't film anything until my entertainment center came in. So this is me and Brayden building it. I was so thankful that he was able to help me with this because I don't think I could have done this big piece of furniture by myself. We also developed an obsession with Love Island, so that's what we watched the whole time. And then here it is, all finished. Hello everyone. I have some exciting updates for you guys. The entertainment center is finished. It was surprisingly easy to build. It just was kind of time consuming, obviously, since it's a giant piece of furniture. I just have my IKEA lamp on it for now, and then I just put this base here as a placeholder, but it has these 2 shelves, which I really like. I want to put some books on there. And then I like that it also has little cabinets. So right now in here, I just threw a bunch of nail stuff because I like to do my nails right here. I will be organizing this in like little baskets and stuff, but for now, I just kind of threw them in there. And then this one is empty, but that is what my living room is looking like right now. An exciting thing came in the mail today. I ordered a coffee table. Now that I know like what the color of this looks like in real life, I then felt confident ordering a coffee table to match it. So that came came in today. We're gonna build it right now. Also, can we talk about how the woods from the keyboard and the entertainment center just match so well together? I did not even mean for that to happen. I thought they were gonna be really different, honestly. I thought this was gonna be way lighter than it actually is, but I love this color. I feel like it's so timeless. The entertainment center is from Walker Edison, by the way, if you guys are wondering. You guys already know. I will try to link everything that I can in the description. Also random, I just did my makeup and I did a little bit more than usual because I'm going to see the Barbie movie today and I'm really excited. I've heard it's so good. I haven't gotten dressed yet because it is way too hot in my apartment right now. Honestly though, this top is like perfect for the Barbie movie, but I just thought I'd address why I have like full glam on right now. Let's get to building the coffee table. Literally all you do is screw the legs on, so this should take like 2 seconds. This color is not gonna work. It is a very different color than the entertainment center. It might not even look like it on camera, honestly, but this is just not gonna work. I honestly don't like this color. In person, online, it looked way more brown, but it literally looks red. So I will be returning this. Even in the reviews, it didn't look this red. Like I looked at pictures. This is so weird. Okay, well that's a bummer. Okay, I just packaged up the coffee table. I hope I can return it. I don't know how easy of a process that's gonna be, but for these shelves, I don't really have a plan. I don't really have any inspo, honestly. I'm just gonna throw a bunch of books on there and any random decorations that I can find and hope that it turns out good. Guys, this is what I have so far, but I literally don't know what to do from here. I am like actually stumped. I am gonna go thrifting soon to look for some more like random little knickknacks and decorations and stuff like that. I don't love it so far. It's not like the vibe that I was going for. It's close, but it just looks kind of like messy and there's still some empty spaces that I need to fill, so I don't know. I'm gonna look on Pinterest and I will update you guys. Okay, you guys, the living room is almost done. Let me give you an update. I got a couple new things. First of all, I got this floor pillow from Target. I just think the color is really cute and I think it would look cozy to have a floor pillow. I don't have room for like an accent chair, unfortunately, so I don't know. I feel like my couch isn't gonna be that big and you don't want to always be like sitting right next to someone. Sometimes when you're talking to someone, you want to be like facing them, especially when there's like multiple people. I don't know, sitting all in a row on a couch is not always the most comfortable thing, so I wanted to have some sort of seating option that is not the couch. And even though this isn't much, it's the best I can really do for the space that I have. This was also half off at Target. Then I grabbed this pillow from Home Goods. I love round pillows like this. I just think they look so cool. They make a space look so interesting. So this will go on the couch. This blanket might go on the couch too. I've already had this one. It's from JCPenney. But you guys, the couch is coming tomorrow. So that means not only do we need to take this air mattress down and put it away and clean the floors and all that, but I finally get to put down my rug. I have had this rug sitting in the corner for over a month. I just didn't put it out yet, but now is finally the time. We can finally do it. I also ordered a coffee table and it's coming tomorrow. So literally my entire living room will basically be done tomorrow, which I'm super excited about. But anyways, let's start getting the living room ready for the couch tomorrow. Also really quickly did the floors in my bedroom. Now the living room floors are dry, so it's time to put the rug down. Okay, so here's what the rug looks like. I spent a minute just going through and just like going like this to kind of make the rug look a little bit more normal since it was like being pressed down in a package for so long. Also, I put the floor pillow over there in that corner, which is maybe where it'll stay. I'm not sure. This blue trunk here, I might move it into my room, but I haven't decided. There's kind of just not really a good spot for it in here. I feel like it looks kind of cluttered right here and I would rather have that just be clean. But yeah, here's what it looks like. We'll see where it ends up after the couch is here because I don't know how much of the couch I want to be sitting on the rug. So yeah, I don't know. We'll see tomorrow, but for now, this makes me so excited. The couch is here. They jump scared me for sure. I was told I would get a call before they got here. Thank God I was sitting in a spot where I could see outside and see that there was a truck pulling up and I could hear it. I was kind of not ready. I had to go change really quick because I was in my PJs. At first, I was really scared that it was gray and that they sent me the wrong color because I did order a white couch, but it does look like there's a bunch of like stuff that it's wrapped in. So we're gonna open this up. I am so excited. You guys, look what has arrived. It's time to build the coffee table. Okay, this is cute. I think this is gonna work. Here is the top. It doesn't quite match the entertainment center, but this is so much closer than the first one I ordered. I feel like this one is also a really good size. I do have a very awkward shaped living room, and you don't even realize it until you start putting furniture in it and you're like, wait, the TV can really only go one place, and that doesn't leave much room for the couch and for a walkway in between the kitchen and the couch, and it was a whole thing. But this was like the best couch that I could find that was small enough to fit in the space but not too small to where it's like super tiny. So I got this one because the shape of it makes the space feel bigger, first of all, but then also it's just small. I can't remember if I said, but I did buy a wood stain that I am pretty sure is the same color as the entertainment center, so they will match exactly once that comes in. But for now, this color honestly doesn't even look bad. I could just leave it. We'll see. Okay, this is actually such a perfect size for the space. Like I said, the shape of it just works really well. I feel like if it was like a rectangle, it would just look too big. I also don't love round coffee tables that are like a perfect circle, so this was my compromise, and I think it looks so cute. I have a candle that I've been waiting to put on the coffee table that I've been so excited about, so let's get that out. Isn't this candle so cool? It is from TJ Maxx, and I feel like it looks so expensive when it was, I think, like 10 bucks or something like that. Yep, $10. And the print reminds me of a seashell, and I just love the color of it. It's like a very subtle baby pink. It's just so cute. And I feel like candles just make the space cozy, so I might throw a couple coasters on here. I'm not totally sure. Let's just see how these thrifted ones look, because I never use them in the kitchen. Okay, that's cute. I feel like it immediately makes it look more lived in and homey. Also, the coffee table is from Amazon. I'll have everything in this video linked. The couch is from Joss & Main, and it's a sleeper sofa. I think this completes the living room. I feel like I've been waiting for this day for like a year. It's only been a month and a half-ish. So I'm so grateful to have this finished, and I will see you guys in the tour.
Cabelos cor de mel singela, seu nome é Mabel, é uma menina cheia de vida. Se vamos para a praia, não esquece a sandália.
The tour of my finished living room. Actually, almost finished. I do want to add some wall art at some point. I was going to try to finish that before this tour, but I realized wall art is going to take kind of a longer time than I was expecting to really find things that I love. You guys will see that in future vlogs and stuff. I was hoping it would be a sunnier day for this tour. Yesterday morning, it was so sunny in the living room and it looked beautiful. Today, not so much, but it's okay. We're going to do the tour and I hope you guys like it. So here is what you see when you walk in. We first have my desk. I have my little cart right here, some shoes right here. I did get a little mat for my door. It's already gotten pretty dirty. I need to wash it. So in this cart, it is not done, but it does look better than before. I just have some stuff in here, like my keys, gum, lip gloss, stuff like that. This plant pot is thrifted, and then this candlestick is from a shop in my hometown. Sorry, the lighting is weird, but this is where I ended up putting my cameras and just like tech stuff because it's really easy to grab, but I do want to have a cuter system for this instead of just throwing them in there. So we'll figure that out at some point, and then I have have just like a bunch of books and plants down here. And then we have my desk, and I don't want to show what's out the window, so you guys are gonna get some weird angles. But I did get this new mouse pad and this little like armrest thing. I've been adding a lot of pink touches to my apartment, which you guys will notice for sure. I have my little Glossier candle, a coaster. I have my planners over here, a little Sunny Angel, an IKEA mushroom lamp. We have my printer, another Sunny Angel. This one is probably my favorite out of all of them. Look how cute he is. And then this little stand for my printer, which is from Amazon. And then in these drawers, I just have like a bunch of stationery stuff. I also added my YouTube plaque on the wall right here. This is the only wall art that I've put up so far. I just thought it would be cute to have this right next to my desk. And then we have my mirror. It is from Hobby Lobby. This is the one that was in my room in my old apartment. We have this plant stand. This was a gift, but I want to say it's from Target. There's kind of just a plant thrown in there right now. It should probably be a bigger one, so it looks a little silly, but I think it's cute. Just adds some greenery in here. And then we have my entertainment center, which I am absolutely in love with. I think it's gorgeous. I think it is timeless. I feel like I can have this in a house because it's big enough. That's one thing that I've heard. If you want to make your apartment look more luxurious and like a home, buy furniture that is meant to fit in a house. So that's what I did with this entertainment center, and I think it actually turned out really nice. I don't have a very big living room because it's such an awkward layout, but I feel like for a lot of apartments this would work totally fine. I just had to size down on like the coffee table, but I feel like it works in here. So that is what I did. Over here I have this plant pot from IKEA that I just put a candle in. This little bamboo plant from Trader Joe's. Candle from IKEA that I never like because it smells weird, but I just thought that the actual candle itself was cute. And then this candle from Target. We have another IKEA lamp over here, and then both candles are from IKEA. We have my TV. I love this TV. It's a 55-inch, I believe, Samsung TV. And then we have these little shelves in the entertainment center. I still haven't like perfected these. I think this is probably gonna stay, but I don't know. I feel like something feels off. I just have a bunch of books stacked, more candles. I thrifted those. And then I have this little basket over here that doesn't have anything in it right now. I don't know what I'm even gonna put in it though, so we'll see. And then I keep all of my nail stuff in this cupboard. And then in this one, there's just like seasonal candles and stuff like that. I really wish it was sunny so you guys could see how beautiful it looks in here when the sunlight is coming in. But here is the couch and the coffee table. The coffee table's from Amazon. This giant candle is TJ Maxx, and the coasters are thrifted. The couch is Joss & Main. And then I got these pillow covers off of Amazon that I think are so cute. They're just this like light baby pink color, and I feel like it just looks so much cozier this way. I love this couch. Like I said, it is a sleeper sofa, so it's actually a queen. My parents slept on it when they stayed with me, and they liked it. They said it was comfortable, so that's just really nice to have just in case any guests come over. I don't have to worry about making them sleep on an air mattress anymore, which is just so nice. Also, this rug is from Target. I feel like it is the perfect size for the space. I think it's a 5x7. And then over here we have this cute little floor pillow. This is from Target. I feel like it looks like it could have been like 80 bucks from Urban Outfitters, but it was like 17 from Target. Then we have this fake plant. This is from Target. And then my keyboard, this is a Donner keyboard. Like I said in the beginning of this video, this is very much like a statement piece, I feel like. I don't know about statement. I don't know the word I'm looking for, but this was an investment. I wanted to specifically get a keyboard that looked just beautiful like this. And it's also just so nice. Like when you play it, it actually feels like a piano. It's not on right now, but the keys don't feel like a keyboard. So this is just something that I'm gonna have forever, and I love it. And we have some decorations on it right here. I have my Sunny Angel, a candlestick from Target, and then this vase from Daiso, and then the fake tulips are also from Target. And we have this Anthropology candle that I got a few Christmases ago, and then the piano bench is from Amazon. And that is the finished living room. I love it so much. I think it's so cozy and just so inviting. I did what I could to make it feel very warm and comfortable. I'd been loving like the neutral white and like beige living rooms. I did want to add some pops of color in there, so I feel like this is the perfect balance of that. I feel like it's very me. It is exactly what I wanted and exactly how I pictured it, so I'm just so happy with it. So the last room makeover video to go up is my bedroom makeover. That one has been kind of tough just because I haven't had a clear vision for it like I have with every other room in the house, apartment, whatever. So yeah, my bedroom has just been tricky. I just haven't been obsessed with anything I've done with it, basically. So I just recently kind of figured out why I don't like it, so we're gonna fix that today. I want to get that video up for you guys as soon as possible because I didn't expect the move-in vlogs to take as long as they have to get up, except for this one specifically because I knew the couch would take a long time to come in, but life happens and things get in the way, so I've been doing my best. I hope you guys are liking the move-in series. series. It's almost done. And I think that's it. If you stayed up until this point, comment this emoji. I can't think of one right now, but I'll think of one when I'm editing. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys very soon with another one. Bye.